Today I'm in West Lakeview in the 1500 block of West Henderson. That's near Ashland, halfway between Belmont and Addison. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It's got a lot of vintage charm to it, some really nice high ceilings, ceiling fan, a decorative fireplace. This is the living room. It's a very large living room. The landlord's still going to do some cleaning and painting, but I wanted to get the video of it sooner rather than later. That's the front door. And then this is a really big formal dining room. Great hardwood floors. This is one of the bedrooms or an office. It's kind of the one underneath the stairs if you're familiar with 3 flats. It does have a nice closet here. You could put a double bed in here with no problem. I'm not sure about a queen. Bedroom number 2. It's a lot bigger. It would absolutely hold a queen size bed, no problem at all. Across from it you have the bathroom. Tub and a shower combination. Nice big 3-drawer stainless refrigerator. It's a really good sized kitchen with a lot of cabinets. It does have a dishwasher. Good sized stove. This is the 3rd bedroom, and again you've got high ceilings. It's a really good bedroom to hold a queen size bed with no problem. The closet over there. There are 2 other units in the building. It's a typical 3 flat. So you've got a common backyard that I'll show you. There's an enclosed porch on the back. You've got a nice backyard. You can see the other tenants have grills out there. You'd be welcome to do the same. Parking is available, garage parking if you need it. It's extra. I'll take and walk back up toward the front. So there's just a lot of cabinets. Really good sized kitchen. Back through the dining area, back in the living room up front.